Today, I'll show you how to change chat mode in Cursor AI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the chat mode options, what they do, and how to switch between them smoothly so you can get better, more focused help from the AI. First, go ahead and open Cursor on your computer. This might be from a shortcut on your desktop, from your applications folder, or from your taskbar or dock, depending on how you've set it up. Make sure Cursor is fully loaded and you're looking at the main interface where you usually write or edit your code. Next, you'll need to open a chat panel. In Cursor, the chat panel is where you interact directly with the AI, ask questions, and get assistance. If you don't already see a chat area on the side of your screen, look for a chat icon or a button that says something like Chat or New Chat. Click that to bring up the chat window. You should now see a place where you can type messages to the AI. Once your chat panel is open, take a moment to look near the top of that chat area. You're looking for the chat mode selector. This is usually displayed as a drop-down menu or a button that shows the current mode, such as code, explain, or debug. It's typically positioned at the top of the chat panel, above the message input box or near the chat header. If you move your mouse around the top section of the chat, you should see it stand out as something you can click. When you've found the chat mode selector, click on it. This will open a small menu that lists the available modes. Common options you might see include code, explain, and debug. Each mode tells Cursor AI how you want it to respond, so choosing the right one can make your experience much smoother. If you choose code mode, you're telling Cursor that you mainly want help writing or editing code. This is a great choice when you need new functions, boilerplate code, or quick snippets that fit into your existing project. The AI will usually focus on generating code with minimal extra explanation. If you select explain mode, Cursor will prioritize clear, detailed descriptions. This is especially helpful when you're trying to understand what a piece of code does, how a concept works, or why a particular solution is being suggested. In this mode, expect more narrative and teaching style responses. Choosing debug mode is most helpful when something isn't working as expected. In this mode, you can paste in error messages, problematic code, or confusing behavior, and Cursor will try to identify the issue, explain what's going wrong, and suggest ways to fix it. It's designed to be more diagnostic and problem-focused. After you pick the mode you want, the selector will update to show your chosen mode, and any new messages you send in that chat will follow that behavior. You don't need to restart Cursor or create a new chat unless you want to keep different tasks separated. If your needs change while you're working, you can simply click the mode selector again and choose a different mode at any time. That's all there is to it. Open Cursor, bring up a chat panel, find the chat mode selector at the top of the chat, click it, and choose the mode that best fits what you're trying to do. With just a couple of clicks, you can tailor Cursor AI to help you code, explain, or debug more.